Grant Cardone, a renowned entrepreneur and sales trainer, has achieved remarkable success in his career, amassing a fortune of $1 million through his unique financial strategies. In this comprehensive exploration of Grant Cardone's wealth-building philosophy, we will delve into the core principles that have contributed to his financial success. From disciplined spending to the art of mastering the close, Cardone's teachings offer valuable insights for those seeking financial independence and prosperity. Never spend more than you earn. One of the foundational principles that Grant Cardone passionately advocates is the concept of never spending more than you earn. This timeless financial wisdom emphasizes setting a spending limit, ideally at 20% of one's income. In a world where consumerism and easy credit are prevalent, Cardone's call to limit spending becomes increasingly significant. This principle is not merely about being frugal or cutting back on expenses, it's about embracing financial freedom and opportunity. Money saved is money that can be invested, and investment is the true path to financial independence. Cardone's recommended spending limit of 20% of income emphasizes the aggressive pursuit of financial freedom, especially for those just starting their financial journey. While 40% might be a more realistic limit for some, the fundamental principle remains the same: live below your means to create opportunities for wealth. What sets Cardone's approach apart is that he doesn't advocate a life of deprivation. Instead, he highlights that making sacrifices now is an investment in your future, a down payment on your financial freedom. This principle is essential not only for financial growth but also for a psychological shift from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset. The key takeaway is that discipline in spending serves as a tool for achieving greater wealth and financial security. It's about making strategic choices that provide you with the freedom to take calculated risks and seize opportunities when they arise. Remember, when you adhere to your spending limit, you're not merely saving money, you are investing in your future. Know your cost of living. Grant Cardone underscores the importance of knowing your cost of living intimately. Just as a CEO meticulously tracks a company's finances, individuals should have a detailed understanding of their personal finances. Knowing the ins and outs of your cash flow is akin to holding a magnifying glass over your daily habits, needs, wants, and luxuries. This level of clarity enables informed decision-making, as it forces individuals to evaluate their priorities. Are you overspending on items that don't provide long-term value? Could that money be better allocated elsewhere? This exercise encourages a thorough assessment of the why behind every expense. Understanding your cost of living also magnifies the impact of limiting spending to a specific percentage of your income. When you know precisely what your life costs, achieving that 20% or 40% spending limit becomes a tactical endeavor. You're no longer cutting blindly, you're making precise adjustments that allow you to live well today while investing for tomorrow. Knowing your cost of living has several benefits. It reduces financial stress, prepares you for emergencies, and allows you to set more accurate and ambitious financial targets. In essence, it's not just about avoiding financial pitfalls, it's about steering your life with intention. Financial mindfulness, as Cardone suggests, is a practice valuable for both your wallet and your well-being. Lease and rent. Cardone's perspective on leasing and renting challenges conventional wisdom, particularly in a society that equates ownership with success. He advises against long-term monetary commitments, emphasizing the importance of financial flexibility. Cardone highlights the substantial financial commitment involved in a mortgage, effectively tying up a significant portion of future income. While home ownership is a common aspiration, it can hinder opportunities for higher-yielding investments. Banks, often perceived as symbols of financial stability, themselves choose to lease their properties because it offers flexibility and keeps capital liquid for more lucrative ventures. The core message is not that ownership is inherently negative, but that timing is crucial. For those in the early stages of building wealth, prioritizing financial freedom over ownership is paramount. Keeping your capital free to move, grow, and multiply allows you to seize opportunities when they arise. The action plan is clear: scrutinize your financial commitments and assess whether they advance or delay your financial freedom. It's about making choices that enable financial flexibility on the path to financial independence. It's not about owning the most, it's about making intelligent, strategic decisions. Own assets, not stuff. Grant Cardone challenges our innate desire for possessions and redirects it toward acquiring assets with lasting value. He likens life to a sandbox, where most people accumulate possessions that may provide temporary pleasure but offer no real value. In contrast, assets are like seeds and soil that have the potential to grow into something more valuable. Cardone emphasizes that every dollar spent on possessions is a dollar that can no longer grow for you. By investing in assets such as stocks, real estate, or a side business, you plant seeds for future growth. This mindset shift encourages individuals to make intelligent decisions that enable long-term sustainability and financial freedom. The example of purchasing a luxury car versus investing in assets illustrates this concept. While a luxury car depreciates in value, investments have the potential to grow over time. Buying assets isn't about depriving yourself of life's pleasures but about making choices that lead to sustainable, long-term wealth. Buy stuff with passive income. Cardone introduces the idea of buying desired items with passive income rather than active income. He uses the analogy of a video game, where active income represents the basic weapon of the main character, and passive income is a powerful special ability that works continuously in the background. Instead of using your paycheck to purchase luxury items, Cardone recommends waiting until your assets generate enough passive income to fund your desires. This approach allows your assets to work for you, providing not only material possessions but also free time and financial security. The key takeaway is that building and nurturing assets that generate passive income changes the consumerist model. It transforms desires into rewards for a sound financial strategy, making each purchase a testament to growing financial acumen and independence. Rely on yourself. Grant Cardone emphasizes the concept of self-reliance as a fundamental principle for financial success. While he doesn't advocate isolating oneself from support networks, he underscores that the primary determinant of financial destiny is an individual's skills, mindset, and work ethic. Cardone uses the metaphor of a ship captain sailing through turbulent financial seas. External factors such as government support or family assistance are like passing ships or lighthouses, nice to have but not entirely reliable. Depending on external factors for financial success is akin to relying on fickle winds to navigate. Instead, individuals should view their skills and abilities as the engine propelling them toward financial goals. Just as a sailor continuously upgrades navigational tools, one should enhance their skill set and mindset. Work ethic serves as a constant guiding force, especially during challenging times. The analogy of Sisyphus highlights the importance of an evolving skill set and innovative mindset. Like Sisyphus, who could have reached the peak with less effort had he used the right tools, individuals can achieve financial success more efficiently through continuous skill development and innovation. Increase your income. In contrast to the traditional financial script of working hard, saving, and living below one's means, Grant Cardone emphasizes the significance of increasing one's income. While saving is crucial, it's only part of the wealth-building equation. Neglecting the importance of increasing income can limit financial growth. Cardone likens saving to patching up leaks in a boat to prevent sinking, while increasing income is like unfurling sails to catch more wind and accelerate progress. Both components are essential for navigating the waters of wealth building effectively. Increasing income provides opportunities for investment, additional revenue streams, and a better lifestyle without the guilt of overspending. Cardone encourages individuals to step out of their comfort zones, seek side gigs, invest in skill development, negotiate salaries, or start their own businesses. The key message is that making money work for you, rather than working for money, is the path to financial independence. Shifting from financial defense to financial offense allows individuals to capitalize on opportunities and achieve greater financial success. 10x your goals. Grant Cardone's philosophy of 10x your goals challenges conventional goal setting by encouraging individuals to set ambitious, almost unrealistic goals. The rationale behind this approach is to expand one's mindset and change the playing field. Setting achievable goals often limits ambition and vision from the outset. By scaling goals to 10 times their original size, individuals are compelled to rethink their strategies, habits, skills, and investments. Ambitious goals force individuals to scale their efforts and thinking accordingly. Scaling goals also leverages the psychological principle of loss aversion. People are more afraid of losing something they already have than they are motivated by potential gains. Setting ambitious goals makes the fear of falling short less daunting, as even partial achievement leads to significant progress. The philosophy of 10x your goals challenges individuals to aim higher, think bigger, and push the boundaries of what they believe is achievable. Even if the lofty goals aren't fully reached, the journey toward them fosters personal growth and increased success. Be omnipresent. In an age where attention is a valuable currency, Grant Cardone advocates for being omnipresent in your field or industry. This concept doesn't mean simply being everywhere but being everywhere effectively. With countless messages bombarding individuals daily, achieving recognition and influence requires strategic omnipresence. Cardone advises individuals to become the face, brand, and message that people encounter wherever they look. Being omnipresent involves consistent, high-quality, and valuable engagement with your audience. It means showing up where your audience seeks information and offering solutions to their problems. Omnipresence is about converting attention into influence and ultimately success. In a world saturated with information, those who can effectively capture and retain attention have a significant advantage. This strategy applies not only to businesses but also to personal branding and career growth. Master the close. Mastering the art of closing is a crucial skill according to Grant Cardone. However, it's not just about using high-pressure tactics or magical phrases to secure a sale. It's about understanding psychology, timing, and effective communication while maintaining a genuine belief in your product or service. Cardone emphasizes that a great closer bridges the gap between a prospect's problem and the solution offered by your product or service. It goes beyond completing a transaction, it involves providing real value, solving problems, and creating win-win situations for all parties involved. Closing, in Cardone's view, is an act of problem-solving and a way of opening a new chapter in someone's life by improving it. The emphasis is on providing genuine value rather than merely achieving sales targets. Conclusion. Grant Cardone's wealth-building philosophy is a comprehensive guide to achieving financial independence and prosperity. From disciplined spending to the art of mastering the close, Cardone's principles offer actionable insights for individuals seeking to navigate the path toward financial success. By adhering to these principles, individuals can gain control over their finances, set clear goals, and work toward building wealth. Cardone's teachings emphasize the importance of disciplined financial management, strategic thinking, and continuous self-improvement. In summary, Grant Cardone's strategies encompass disciplined spending, never spend more than you earn and view spending limits as an investment in your future. Knowing your cost of living, understand your financial habits and prioritize spending on what truly matters. Lease and rent, prioritize financial flexibility over ownership, especially in the early stages of wealth building. Owning assets, not stuff, invest in assets that have the potential to grow and generate passive income. Buying with passive income, use passive income to fund desired purchases rather than relying solely on active income. Self-reliance, understand that your skills, mindset, and work ethic are the primary drivers of your financial success. Increasing income, strive to increase your income through various means, allowing for greater financial opportunities. 10x your goals, set ambitious goals that challenge your limits and push you to think and act bigger. Being omnipresent, establish a strong and influential presence in your field or industry. Mastering the close, approach sales as a problem-solving opportunity, delivering genuine value to your customers. By integrating these principles into your financial strategy, you can work toward achieving your own version of financial success, following in the footsteps of Grant Cardone.